Okay, put it down there. What's in there, babies?
Oh boy. What's this?
What's in your stocking?
What's in that? What's in this?
Get it out. Look at girl. They can smell it. Look at her.
What's in there? There's something in there. It's right there, little boy. It's not a toy. There might be toys in there.
Look at him.
You got it.
Look at girl. She's all biting at it. Ooh, what's in there, Lilith? Girl likes it when something squeaks and she can't get it. Girl's like, give me the bones in there.
Did you put unopened, unpackaged bones in there so
No.
they can smell them?
No? Okay, get it out. What's in there, Lilith? Get it out.
Get in there.
He thinks it's the stocking.
Should I just dump it out for them to both?
Yes. Lilith, you're such a spaz. Oh, yeah.
He just wants to play with this. Should we try candy cane bones for the babes? Candy cane bones? Do these look good? Uh-oh. Do we need bones?
Look at girl. She's all so sweet and special. Just laying.
Girl, would you like a candy cane bone? There you go.
Oh, everybody's happy.
I'm not holding them.
Oh, yeah. Babies are happy.